If you're a small business owner, freelancer, or local service provider, showing up in local search results on Google can make a huge difference for your business. One of the most effective ways to improve your visibility is by optimizing your Google business profile. In this video, we'll share practical tips to help you improve your local ranking and attract more customers in your area. The first tip is to complete your profile fully. Google favors profiles that are complete and accurate. Make sure to include your business name, address, phone number, website, business hours, and a detailed description of your services. Also, choose the most relevant categories for your business. The more information Google has, the better it can match your business to relevant searches. Next, add high-quality photos regularly. Businesses with photos receive more clicks and engagement. Include pictures of your products, services, storefront, team, and any events or promotions. Updating photos regularly shows Google that your business is active, which can positively impact your local ranking. Another important factor is gathering and responding to reviews. Encourage satisfied customers to leave positive reviews and always respond professionally, whether the feedback is positive or negative. Reviews signal trustworthiness to both potential customers and Google. Consistent, genuine engagement with reviews can boost your ranking and attract more local clients. Use posts and updates on your profile to share offers, events, or news about your business. Google treats active profiles as more relevant and engaging, so regularly posting can improve your visibility in local searches. Posts are also a great way to connect with your audience and highlight what's special about your business. Make sure your name, address, and phone number, NAP, are consistent across your website, social media, and other online directories. Inconsistent information can confuse Google and hurt your local ranking. Double check that all your listings match exactly to maintain credibility. Finally, leverage local keywords in your profile and posts. Use phrases that your customers would likely search for, including your location. For example, instead of just bakery, you might use bakery in Manila or Manila custom cakes. Proper keyword use helps Google understand your business and match it to local searches. In summary, improving your local ranking on Google Business Profile involves completing your profile, uploading high-quality photos, engaging with reviews, posting updates, keeping your NAP consistent, and using local keywords. Following these tips can help your business stand out in local searches and attract more customers in your area. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss more strategies for boosting your online presence and growing your business locally.